We're going to explain how to import a VRM file into VTube Studio. First, make sure you have the latest version of VTube Studio installed. Then download your desired VRM model from a reputable source. Always check the license to ensure you're allowed to use it. 1. Locate your downloaded VRM file. It usually has a POT-VRM extension. 2. Open VTube Studio. 3. In VTube Studio, go to the Models tab, usually located on the top menu bar. You might see a button or option labeled Import Model, or something similar. Click it. 4. A file browser window will pop up. This allows you to navigate your computer's file system. Find the folder where you saved your VRM file and select it. 5. Click Open. VTube Studio will begin importing the model. Depending on the complexity of your VRM, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes. 6. Once imported, you'll see your 3D model appear in the VTube Studio viewport. You'll likely notice several settings related to the model. You can adjust the position, scale, and rotation of your character as needed. These adjustments are usually found in the same tab where you imported the model. 7. Experiment with the different settings within VTube Studio to get your character looking perfect. This includes tweaking the position of the camera for a good angle. 8. Most importantly, check the tracking and blending settings within the software to ensure the facial expressions and body movements are accurately tracked by your webcam. 9. If your VRM has different sets of clothing or accessories, explore how to manage and change them within VTube Studio. You should find options for swapping outfits in the model's settings. 10. Save your current settings once you're done adjusting everything so you don't have to redo it later. Remember to always back up your project files to avoid losing your progress. 11. Test your setup before going live to ensure smooth performance and proper tracking. If you encounter issues, refer to VTube Studio's online documentation or community forums for troubleshooting help. Troubleshooting common problems might involve checking your webcam settings, adjusting tracking sensitivity, or making sure your drivers are up to date. Importantly, remember that the success of this process depends on the quality of the VRM file itself. Some VRM files might be better optimized for VTube Studio